giving you guys scalpiana. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this gorgeous unit that I got from MSILSA Hair. They sent me over their 13x6 deep wave unit, and I actually cut it because it's actually a 130% density and it was too thin for my liking. So if you want to see how I installed and styled this unit, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet. Give this video a big thumbs up and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this install. So I'm just gonna take my Superstay foundation, the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I'm going to put that into the lace so it can blend with my complexion. And I'm just gonna adjust the wig to where I want it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just take the wig off and cut off my ear tabs. Sometimes you make mistakes, so I would recommend you just taking your wig off if you're not accustomed and cut off your ear tabs. So I'm going to be using my Escher glue today because I want to keep this wig on for a while, so I'm going to be using this again. Apply 2 layers of the Escher glue. So what I'm going to do now to correct any sort of like glue from showing, I'm using my LA Girl foundation in dark chocolate, and I'm just going to put that into the areas where you can still see a little bit of glue. That's about it. And then I'm just going to cut off the excess lace to the front. And I'm just cutting that off in like a jagged motion. So I finished cutting off the extra lace, and now I'm gonna go in with my free spray to just set everything. And to tie my hair, I'm gonna be using my elastic band to just tie down my hair for a bit. And I'm just going to define the curls on this unit with some water and conditioner. Guys, I went ahead, I cut the hair short to my liking, and that was it. This is the end result, you guys. Giving you guys scalp piano. And again, I use my Escher glue, so I'm planning to keep this unit in for a couple of days, so that's why I use the Escher glue. But this is the end result, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this install video, and see you in my next video. Always remember to put God first in everything that you do.
Tell me I know God resist the kind of things you do to me, believe.